Hey everybody, Quilting Marine here. Just a really quick video to highlight my new pegboard thread holder. I mounted it, got it on the wall, and I put everything on it, and that's incredible. I have everything on it. I was able to put my rulers on. I got my rotary cutters on there. Even one of my Happy Mail gifts that came, my bobbin holder box here thing or jig there, the bobbin box. Look at that. That's great, right? I love that. So it was a great project. I love building it. I'm making another one, so don't tell Gift Basket Appeal, but I'm building her one with, okay, so you know I have a thing against pink, right? But I'm gonna go ahead and give it a pass this time. I'm making her one for her ribbon spools, and I'm camouflaging. I'm gonna use digital camouflage, and it's gonna be pink, red, white, and some baby blue in there because she liked baby blue. I'm working on that one now. So this is it. It's done. All right, on to the next one, I guess. I was able to mount it easily, and it's a wrap. All right. Hopefully you'll be able to build your own, build a better one. That's what my objective was, to just give you guidance in what I made, and you carry on from there. I'm sure you can build a better one. I'm sure some of you have some great tools and equipment out there to build one on steroids. But this works for me. All right. It's the Quilting Marine's pegboard thread holder, and as you can see, digital camo. Okay. I'm not going to go any further than that, okay? It did the job. I love it. And that's that. Thank you for watching me build this thing. I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed it so much, I'm building one more. And only one more. And that's the one for Gift Basket Appeal Tracy. All right? So it's not going to be a one-off. It's going to be a two-off. All right? Thank you for watching. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.